Righto, so we're out for a walk this half. Just walking some cane. A bit rainy today, so good weather. Let's see what we can come up with. Fingers crossed it's good. Righto, we're just a bit of digging here, bit of fresh set. Dogs are gone. Hey? Fresh as sowing. Some fresh chewing. Have a look, see what the dogs are. We'll head up this way. More fresh sowing. Doesn't get any fresher than that or what? There's Millie gone in. Old wallow. Chewy's got treed. Odin's got treed, they must have one. Come in. Oh yeah. It's absolutely shit now. Oh, okay. Rightio, that was a quick little bore then. We only bloody just walked in the farm through the gate and the dogs buggered off, and we seen that bit of digging and that there right at the gate, and Billy and Millie were bloody running around like headless chooks and looked on the tracker, and little Chewy and Odin had gone out 300 up down the other end, so we walked up around and then yeah, they come up Treed Quarry. So we took off down the headland and up the gully here, and this is the end result. He'd have to be pushing 60, eh, Chuffs?
Yeah.
He's a solid little nugget. He's only a young pig, but yeah, so little Chewy, again, she's on fire. Young Odin was with her, so yeah, that's his first one. So yeah, bloody good shit.
Video doesn't do him much justice. You got to take into account that Huss is 115 kilos.
Ringing wet. No, he's not a bad pig. He's a solid little bugger. So anyway, Chewy's a 60 kilo dog. No. Anyway, he's in good condition. So very good. We're going to get out of here. It's bloody hot in here, muggy. So thank you very much. We're going for a walk today. Walking cane. Dogs have already took off. So last time we were here, got a ball. So go up here and see if there's been anything back. So there we go. They're on. Dogs have just hit a mob by the sounds of things. See which way the dogs are running. Oh. Come back this way, Chubbs. Yep. Alright, we got a few here. It's floating now. How we get Scott, one of the pigs. Lenny got a little ball back there by himself, so that's good. Anyway, we'll drag it out. Righto, so we just got them two. The dogs are run on. I think they got another one, so we'll float up and see how we're going. Oh, the dogs have got another one. Fucking look out here. Right in the middle. Mia's going in to stick her first pig. Let Lenny off here, bud. Where'd it go? Here, Len. Here, Len. Here, Lenny. Here. Lenny, here. Here, boy. Here, Lenny, here. Here, Lenny. Lenny, here. Here, Lenny. Yeah, oh, there's a pig. Is it? Oh, it's coming out down there. Oh, I better get into here. Alright, they're up there with the last one. It's hot in here. Dogs are naked. Right, that's the one Lenny got by himself. That was the second one. We're just waiting for Odin to come back. We got 3 out of the mob, so nice. Here comes young Odin. Good boy, mate. How'd you go? Old dog's done well. Good dogs. Anyway, tell you what, it's bloody quite warm. Especially when you get in that cane and up that hill. Bloody hell, it's steep up that hill. Remember years ago I had to go up there. Dog's got a boar up there, my God, by himself. Whew. But anyway, dog's done well. 3 out of the mob. When we're coming up here before, heap of fresh chewing. So, anyway, they're buggered, so back to the ute, give them a drink. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's a bit of that. Doesn't get any fresher than that, I'll tell you. Anyway, alright, back at the ute. 3 pigs out of the mob. Young Lenny caught one. He's look at him. He's done. And he's bickies for the night. Anyway, christened the new crate. These cunts here. Anyway, let's get out of here. Out for a look today. Hunting some cane, been raining. Farmer's been seeing pigs. Let's go. Fresh sign in the gully was here. Up today anyway. Chewy and Bill working up here. Fresh as there. Fresh as, did you see? Look. Hey? Oh, look at that. Don't get much fresher than that. Walking up the headland here a bit. If I can get these dogs. Oh no, Millie's come back. Big tracks here, there we go. Big pigs too. They might be up a bit further. Anyway, we might keep going. Alright, proper good jump this here. Just come around the other side of that block. Oh, the dogs ended up finding them. It's not real big. But anyway, we finally found them. We could have drove all the way up here too, but we bloody ran. Right, that's that boar we just got. He's not too bad actually. He sounded a lot smaller than he is. But anyway, we ended up just walking here, eh? Like, not really in a rush, but yeah, I tell you what, it took us a while to find them. All bloody half, but we got there. Good work by the dogs. Last block. But anyway, oh, fucking nice. Righto. Very good, thank you very much. Up for a look this half. Try and Chewy Odin on the back, Millie in the crate, just in case. Anyway, solo today, so we'll see how we go. Righto, dogs jumped here. I just heard a bit of a bark, bit of a yap from one of them. Oop. Shh. Let Millie go. Go on, Millie. Go on. I think they're on here. Yep. Might drive up. There goes the pig just running across the road there. Another one, look at them all. Heap of them. Oh, they got treed. Hold up. Yep, they're on here. Right, we're going in. Dog has got one. Oh, get in my pocket. Righto, this is that. See how they just got. She's run out, she's bloody got 1,000 suckers on her. But I'll just take you in and show you some of this damage. Like you see it, cane's not meant to look like this. Yeah, so it's pretty open. It gets a bit thicker back in there, but yeah, you can see I've been in here having a ball with bricks. But anyway, we got one. Pretty open for cane, I tell you. Good. Not really for the farmer, but good for the hunter. Yeah, so a bit of cane damage. Right, that's us done for another video. Just the young dogs working a bit, catching a few mob pigs. Not much big stuff getting around here at the moment, so hope you've enjoyed it. Please, if you can, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot, and helps us keep doing these videos, I suppose. Yeah, like I said, it's just a bit of fun. We've just got a lot of young dogs at the moment, so anyway, don't forget we got some hats and that as well, so thanks for your support, guys. Cheers.